we're going to be repairing a large asphalt depression. Keep watching the video, I'll show you how we do it. Welcome back, it's Jeff Lepard from DoItAllCeiling.com, and on this channel we do concrete repair, line painting, asphalt repair, and so much more. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. So I'm going to be repairing this asphalt depression. You can see it's really damaged. This is a high traffic area, and this entire section is used by heavy truck and equipment. So what we got to do is we're going to saw cut around this, remove the existing asphalt. I'm going to be putting 2 layers of asphalt. It's going to be a lot thicker than the original layer, and that should hold up for some time. There's a lot of cars getting damaged. Their bumpers are getting damaged. So unfortunately, it absolutely needs fixing ASAP. The first thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to use some marking paint, and I'm just going to mark out the area where I'm going to be saw cutting. Now that the area is marked, I'm going to start up the saw, and I'm going to saw cut the outer perimeter of the patch area. Just going to put my mask on, I've got my earplugs, and I've got my goggles for eye protection. Now the saw cuts are finished. I'm going to use the Bobcat to excavate the existing asphalt, dirt, and debris and dump that in the trailer. We're back. We're going to be putting some base coat HL8 asphalt, and then we're going to top it off with a top coat of HL3. So I'm going to get started right now. Got some asphalt down. I'm just going to start raking it out to the desired level. This is the first lift, the first stage of base coat asphalt. So now I have the first layer of HL8 down. I'm going to use the plate compactor to compact that before applying the top coat of asphalt. coat's now finished. We've got some HL3 top coat for the final lift of asphalt. By rough raking, followed by luting the asphalt. Just going to get it to the desired level where I want it. So now that I've finished doing the lute, I'm just going to trim off the edges just using a shovel, or you can use a rake or the lute to do your final edging. I like to use a shovel. Now I'm ready to use the plate compactor to give it its final compaction. I'll be compacting it at least 2 times. So that's it, the job's complete. We'll have the area blocked off for roughly about 30 minutes before traffic can resume. So I just want to thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, bash that bell to turn notifications on for upcoming videos. Share the video, like the video, give us a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below, and we'll see you next time. DoItAllCeiling.com. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.